My water propagations are out of control. Like, I've got so many in the window and they need to go outside, and we've got some like cloudy weather for the next couple of days, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take them out there and just direct sow them, and I'll take you with me. I've got rosemary that I water propagated, and then some Thai basil, and then this is a black and blue salvia that I really love to grow, and I've been taking cuttings off of it for a while because I've also got this huge one up here too, but the leaves are starting to look sad and it's really time for them to go out in the garden. Look at all those roots. This is the mother plant, and unfortunately, I don't think the original mother plant survived. I planted another transplant back here, but we had such a warm winter that we had a like kind of late season freeze, and it had already started to bud out, and I just knew it wouldn't make it. And so I took this cutting and it rooted so beautifully in the kitchen, and I even took a couple more cuttings off of it, so I hope it'll make it. So I'm just gonna like put it right there in the middle of its mom and hopefully we'll have a beautiful giant new black and blue salvia. It's my favorite plant. I'm just gonna stick it right in here. Send good vibes for her. These right here are some more of her little puppies, so we're gonna take these guys out there too. Look how good those roots look. I'm actually gonna stick this one like right here, so it'll be adjacent, I think. Actually, maybe I should stick it back in that spot. I think right there is a better spot. These plants do get monstrous huge. Grow up, little babies. Okay, so then it's a little bit shaded while it's trying to get established back here. And that's some good clay soil, so it'll be nice and moist for them. And then it'll be big purple plant in the mid-range and a big purple plant in the mid-range here. So I think that'll look nice. Ooh, a passion flower. Now this Thai basil. We're gonna plant this in the vegetable garden. This basil down here is my previous water propagated basil, and look how good it's doing. I think right here is a good spot for this Thai basil. And we're actually gonna bury this pretty deeply because of the node here. This will shoot off some more roots, and I think it'll make a stronger basil plant. Don't be surprised if your little transplant wilts though, because it's been in a perfect environment in the house. So it's gonna have to freak out a little bit, but it'll be all right. Oh no, man down. We gotta get out here and tie these guys up. Oh my gosh, look at the ripe tomatoes. Now for this rosemary. I love the way rosemary smells when the sun hits it. It's like such a wonderful smell. I think I'm actually gonna plant it in the ground at the end of my planter beds, or maybe I'll stick it over here in the center. I don't know. I think this is a good spot. I literally just dug this peanut up out of the ground. Ugh, the squirrels. That's okay, because you know what? Peanuts make an excellent cover crop or like a green mulch for your garden beds. So I'm just gonna plant this in under the tomato plants. And I've already kind of been doing it anyway. Grow up, little babies. Well, that was fun. Hopefully they all do well.